Hello, today I am going to show you how to make this simple watermark. So first you are going to do is to make a rainbow twist effect. Then write black text. After that, go to Effects, Blurs, Gaussian Blur Plus. Change blending mode to Difference and Radius by yourself. We don't want to have this black color, so go to Effects, Color, Kill Color. Choose black color and other settings by yourself. Duplicate this layer and click on the bottom layer. Go to Effects, Object, Drop Shadow. Widening radius 1 or 2. This will fix these lines. And click OK. Click on the top layer and go to this layer properties. Change blending mode to any you like. Merge layer down. Using rectangle select tool, select your text. Leave some space in right lower corner or in any other corner where you will be using your watermark. Now crop to selection. Go to Image, Canvas size. Select corner where you have left some space. In this case, it is right lower. Now change values to your video size, like 1280 by 720. Select your text again, invert selection, and click Cut. As you can see, this watermark text is too big. Move selected pixels tool, click on image, and resize your text. You can hold left shift to keep aspect of it. After that, deselect. You can add more effects if you want. Now save as PNG on your desktop. You can close Paint.net and open your video editor. I am using Sony Vegas. So import your video. Now I will use just an image. Yes, this is my desktop. Here to Windows opened and I will see media player running. So import or add your watermark. Here it is. You can make less opacity. And that's it. This watermark is not something very special, but it is okay. So yeah, thanks for watching and wait for more tutorials. Comment, rate and subscribe.